Every single second, more than 10,000 Coca-Cola beverages are consumed worldwide. That's nearly 1 billion servings every single day. But have you ever wondered how this iconic drink is actually made? Today, we're taking you inside the modern Coca-Cola factory to reveal the billion-dollar secrets behind the world's most recognized beverage. From the mysterious formula locked in a vault to the cutting-edge technology that fills 2,000 bottles per minute, prepare to discover the truth about how Coca-Cola is made today. The Coca-Cola Company isn't just a beverage maker, it's a $270 billion empire. With operations in over 200 countries, it's one of the most valuable brands on earth. But this global giant started in 1886 with pharmacist John Pemberton mixing ingredients in a three-legged brass kettle in Atlanta, Georgia. Today, the production process is a symphony of science, technology, and closely guarded secrets. Every bottle that reaches your hands has been through a journey spanning continents and involving thousands of precision-controlled steps. Let's follow that journey from the very beginning. It all starts with ingredients. Coca-Cola's production requires an astonishing amount of raw materials, billions of pounds of sugar, millions of gallons of purified water, vast quantities of phosphoric acid, natural flavors, caffeine, and, of course, the legendary secret ingredient, merchandise 7X. The company sources sugar from cane fields in Brazil, beet farms in Europe, and increasingly from high-fructose corn syrup facilities in North America. The caffeine comes from decaffeination processes of coffee beans and tea leaves. But here's what's fascinating. No single factory receives all the ingredients. The secret formula component, known as merchandise 7X, is produced in only a handful of locations worldwide and transported under armed guard. Water is Coca-Cola's primary ingredient, making up about 90% of the final product. The company uses approximately 300 billion liters of water annually. But this isn't ordinary tap water. Every Coca-Cola facility features a state-of-the-art water treatment plant. The purification process is intense. First, municipal water goes through sediment filters that remove particles larger than 5 microns. Next, activated carbon filters eliminate chlorine, organic compounds, and unwanted tastes. Then comes reverse osmosis, forcing water through membranes so fine they remove dissolved salts and minerals. Finally, UV sterilization eliminates any remaining microorganisms. The result? Water purer than most bottled water you can buy, creating the perfect neutral base for the formula. Now we arrive at Coca-Cola's crown jewel, the secret formula, officially designated 7X. For over 135 years, this recipe has been one of the world's most closely guarded trade secrets. The complete formula is allegedly known by only 2 executives at any time, and company legend says it's kept in a vault at the World of Coca-Cola Museum in Atlanta. While the exact recipe remains secret, we know it contains a blend of oils: orange, lemon, nutmeg, cinnamon, coriander, neroli, and others in precise ratios. The concentrate production happens in specialized facilities where ingredients are weighed to the milligram. Master blenders, some with decades of experience, oversee the mixing process. This syrup base, called Coca-Cola concentrate, is what gets shipped to bottling facilities worldwide. At the bottling plant, the concentrate is transformed into the syrup used in production. In massive stainless steel tanks, some holding 10,000 gallons, the concentrate is combined with sweeteners and water. Industrial mixers, controlled by computer systems accurate to 0 to 1%, blend the ingredients. The temperature is precisely controlled, typically between 50 to 60 degrees, because even slight variations can affect flavor. Quality control technicians sample every batch using both high-tech spectrometry equipment and human taste testers. Here's an insider secret. Each batch is compared to a gold standard sample stored at controlled conditions. Only when the new batch matches the standard within impossibly tight tolerances does it proceed to production. This is why Coca-Cola tastes the same whether you're drinking it in Tokyo, Toronto, or Tanzania. Next comes what makes Coca-Cola a soft drink: carbonation. This is where science becomes art. Carbon dioxide is the key, and it needs to be infused into the beverage at precise levels. The syrup mixture enters a carbonation chamber where it's chilled to just above freezing, around 34 degrees. Why so cold? Cold liquid absorbs CO2 far more effectively. The carbonation unit then injects food-grade carbon dioxide at pressures around 100 psi. The liquid flows over plates or through porous stones, maximizing surface area for CO2 absorption. The target is approximately 4.0 volumes of CO2, meaning the liquid contains 4 times its volume in dissolved carbon dioxide. Sensors monitor carbonation levels in real time, making micro-adjustments every second. Too little CO2 and the drink tastes flat. Too much and it becomes too sharp and acidic. Now we enter the most visually spectacular part, the high-speed bottling line. Modern facilities can fill up to 2,000 bottles or cans per minute. That's more than 30 every second. The process begins with container production or preparation. For plastic bottles, injection molding machines create small preforms, test tube-looking plastic pieces. These preforms enter stretch-blow molding machines where they're heated and inflated with high-pressure air, transforming into full-size bottles in less than 2 seconds. For glass bottles, they arrive pre-made but must be inspected and sterilized. High-intensity cameras examine every bottle at 2,000 frames per second, automatically rejecting any with defects. The bottles then go through a rinser that uses filtered air or sterile water to remove any particles. The filling carousel is engineering poetry in motion. Bottles or cans move through a rotating system where fill valves descend with split-second timing. The carbonated beverage flows in, with fill levels monitored by laser sensors accurate to within a millimeter. Each container is filled in under 1 second. For cans, the process is even faster. After filling, cans immediately move to the seaming machine where lids are attached. This happens through a precise double seaming process that creates an airtight seal in 0.4 seconds. For bottles, capping machines apply closures at rates exceeding 2,500 per minute, applying exact torque to ensure proper sealing without over-tightening. Every sealed container then passes through a check weigher. Containers outside the acceptable weight range, indicating over or underfilling, are automatically rejected and sent to recycling. Quality control at Coca-Cola is obsessive. Beyond the automated systems, the company employs thousands of quality assurance professionals worldwide. Laboratory technicians perform hundreds of tests daily. Sugar content, measured by refractometer, pH levels, must be between 2.5 to 2.7, carbonation volumes, microbial analysis, and flavor profiling using gas chromatography. There are even professional taste testers who sample products throughout the day, comparing them against standards. Every production batch has a code that allows it to be traced back to the specific ingredients, production time, and even which filling valve was used. If a quality issue is ever detected, the company can identify and isolate the affected products within hours. After quality approval, products move to packaging. Robotic arms orchestrate an intricate dance, grouping containers into 6-packs, 12-packs, or cases. Shrink-wrap machines or cardboard casing equipment prepare products for shipping at rates exceeding 500 packages per minute. Automated guided vehicles transport pallets to warehouses maintained at optimal temperatures. The distribution network is staggering. Coca-Cola operates the world's largest beverage distribution system with over 250 bottling partners and millions of retail outlets. Products typically reach stores within 48 hours of production, ensuring maximum freshness. The cold chain is carefully maintained. Distributors know that temperature fluctuations can affect both taste and shelf life. Modern Coca-Cola production increasingly focuses on sustainability. The company has pledged to make all packaging recyclable by 2025 and to use at least 50% recycled material in bottles. New plant bottle technology incorporates plant-based materials, reducing petroleum use. Water replenishment programs aim to return to nature an amount of water equivalent to what's used in beverages. Innovation continues. New bottling line technologies reduce energy consumption by 30%. While AI-powered systems predict maintenance needs before equipment fails, maximizing efficiency and reducing waste. From secret formulas locked in vaults to robotic precision filling 2,000 bottles per minute, the production of Coca-Cola represents one of the most sophisticated manufacturing operations in the world. What started 135 years ago with a pharmacist and a brass kettle has evolved into a $270 billion industry, touching every corner of the globe. The next time you open a Coca-Cola, remember, you're not just enjoying a beverage. You're experiencing the result of billions of dollars in technology, decades of refinement, and secrets so valuable they're protected like national treasures. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this deep dive into how Coca-Cola is made, make sure to subscribe for more inside looks at the world's biggest industries.